Hi babes, yes, this is a very unorthodox intro. However, it's only when I was editing I realized, wait, this has no intro. So, welcome to At Home Waxing 101, where I basically give you all the tips and tricks of waxing at home. So let's just jump right into the video and show you all what you'll need to get. Alright, so let me see if this thing ready to be used. Oh, yes it is. Yes it is, baby. Yes it is. Yes it is. This is the consistency you're looking for. Woot woot. So it's ready. Yep. Alright, so this is what you're working with. This is before all the iron wax in like 2 months. And I find it's good for 2 months are good because usually my feathers used to be red, like way hairier than this. So yeah, so this is what we're working with days before. So I'm gonna try my best to like get a proper thing to show you what it's do when I'm waxing my legs. The only reason I do it like this is because I film it for YouTube. If this was like a normal every day, all this wasn't going on, I would have just put on a garbage bag on the floor and stand up and wax. But trying to give all some quality content now, boy. But whatever, you said it's good. So okay, so the first tip is to put powder on whichever body part that you're waxing. Before you wax it, this would help absorb any moisture on your skin. Tip number 2. When applying the wax, you have to apply it in the direction that the hair grows. So the hair on my legs grow downward, so I apply it in a downward motion. Tip number 3. When you put on the epilating strip, make sure and press it onto your skin before you pull it off. I find that helps me a lot. Like I don't feel anything at all. And tip number 4. When you're pulling the strip off of your skin, you're pulling in the opposite direction of the hair. So if it goes down, you pull up. If it goes up, you pull down. So basically this side is finished waxing and this side needs the help. Yes, so that is that on that. So yeah, basically what I do after I finish is just put some oil just to get out some of the excess wax that would have stayed on my foot. And then yeah, when I finish I just go and bathe on Cola George. Alright, so I just wanted to show you how much wax left after I finish. So what I did my underarms, I did a full leg, so both legs full. I did my bikini line, I did my tummy, I did my upper lip, and this is how much is left. I don't even know if I could see. Well, obviously all I would have seen it was like full, now it's like quite down there. Is how much. But the good thing with this is that once I do this now, I don't have to do this again for like 2 months, because the hair on my leg and thing, this grow back real slow and thin, and yeah, that's why I like waxing. So yeah. Alright y'all, so I hope that this video helps you guys and gave you all some little tips and tricks on waxing at home. If you really can't do it for yourself, then wait until the place open and go and get somebody to wax you. Don't go and damage yourself and thing, but to be honest, practice makes permanent. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.